Hello and welcome to this video about the history of Pokémon. Pokémon is a media franchise that was created by Satoshi Tajiri and Ken Sugimori in 1996. It centers on fictional creatures called Pokémon, which humans, known as Pokémon trainers, catch and train to battle each other for sport. The franchise began as a pair of video games for the Game Boy, but it has since grown to include trading cards, animated TV shows and movies, comic books, and other merchandise. One of the reasons for Pokémon's popularity is its wide appeal. The concept of collecting and training creatures to battle is simple and easy to understand, and the Pokémon themselves are often cute and relatable. The Pokémon franchise also has strong storytelling and world building, with a rich and detailed universe that has attracted and retained a dedicated fan base. In addition to its entertainment value, Pokémon has a number of positive themes that have contributed to its widespread appeal. These themes include friendship, personal growth, responsibility, exploration and adventure, and teamwork and cooperation. The Pokémon franchise has also had a significant influence on society, with the Pokémon Go mobile game bringing augmented reality to the mainstream and encouraging people to get out and explore their communities. Pokémon has also inspired a wide variety of merchandise and has a strong community of fans who engage with the series through online forums and fanworks. Today, Pokémon is one of the most successful and influential media franchises in the world, with a massive fan base and a wide variety of products and merchandise available. The franchise has continued to grow and evolve over the years, with new games, TV shows, and movies being released regularly. It is likely that Pokémon will continue to be a beloved and popular part of pop culture for many years to come. Speaking of new TV shows, there's a new Pokémon animated series set to premiere in 2023. This series will feature an original story and characters, including a boy and a girl, as they embark on adventures in the Pokémon world. This series will include popular Pokémon like Sprigatito, Fuecoco, and Quaxly from the Pokémon Scarlet and Pokémon Violet games, as well as exciting trainer battles and Pokémon encounters. The new series will follow the conclusion of the current season of Pokémon animation, Pokémon Ultimate Journeys, the series, which will feature special episodes celebrating Ash Ketchum's victory as Pokémon World Champion and thanking fans for their support. The new series will continue to feature the action, adventure, friendship, and Pokémon that fans love about Pokémon animation. Thanks for watching!